To use the Upside app for gas, start by downloading and installing the app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing your email address and password, and then verify your account through the email sent by Upside. After verifying your account, navigate to the home screen of the app where you can search for gas stations near your location that offer cashback rewards. Use the map view or list view to find stations, and filter by location, price, or cashback amount. When you find a station you want to use, click on it to view the details, including the address, price per gallon, and cashback amount. Make sure to check the cashback amount and any conditions that may apply, such as a minimum purchase requirement. To pay for gas with Upside, follow these steps. First, click the Claim button to link the offer to your account. Then, go to the gas station and fill up your tank as you normally would. After filling up, go back to the Upside app and click the Check-in button to confirm your purchase. Next, upload a photo of your receipt to the app, making sure to include the date, time, and purchase amount. The app will then verify your purchase and credit your account with the cashback amount. To redeem your cashback rewards, navigate to the Rewards section of the app, where you can choose to receive your rewards via PayPal, bank account, or gift card. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of each redemption option before making your selection. Best practices for using the Upside app include checking the app regularly for new offers and stations, and always following the terms and conditions of each offer. Additionally, make sure to upload your receipts promptly to ensure timely crediting of your cashback rewards. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use the Upside app to save money on gas and earn cashback rewards. The app is a convenient and easy-to-use tool that can help you stretch your budget and make the most of your gas purchases.